Okay, so we've got our Pentax K1000 loaded up with some Ilford Delta 100. And we've got a new lens on here. I took off the traditional 50 millimeter 1.7 and we're using the 28 to 80. Whoops, you can't see that, can you? Let me do this. Well, whatever. Okay, so there it is. Anyway. All right, and we've got this cool stuff right here, an abandoned, well, not abandoned, it's been sold restaurant, and a cool bus back there we're going to take. Oh, and a cool tree back there we'll probably get a shot of. So let's see, we're at 100 ISO, and so let's see, a 1/25th of a second, that's probably, oh no, we'll be able to go to 250 easily here. All right, 2/50th of a second, my guess is f11, perfect. All right, 2/50th, f11. Well, we got some lines up here to play with, all kinds of cool stuff. What can I do with this? I've got to back up. Okay, I'll do it this way. We'll take the bus out of it and we'll put the power lines in. Okay, here we go. Well, that's not much. I think that's, no, that's not the first shot. Okay, so I'm going to get a vertical here. Not sure if they're going to keep this as a restaurant or not, so I wanted to definitely get some photos of it. This is a really cool shadow. I wonder if I can make, oh yeah, I could kind of, oh, okay, there we go. I like that. Whoops. And this has me all the way down to f16, 2/50th of a second. So actually, if I go to the roof, it wants me to be at f11. So that's what I'm going to do because we want to over. Okay, so here's our shot. I'm not sure that's what I wanted. And it is windy as hell. Whew. Okay, so this will be cool. This one we've got to allow a little more light, so we're up to f8. That was f8 on that one, and we're still at 2/50th of a second. Let me just, I'm going to get a back up and get a straight on shot here. So I've got to go way back, even though I've got this 28. Come all the way back here. Oh, okay, this is good. I can get this. All right, let me go that way. I can go in a little bit here now. This way I'm not using the, you never typically want to go to the full, like this is a 28 to 80. You never want to be on 28 or 80. It's usually the weakest part of the lens. And you typically want to try to be around f8 to f16 if you can. All right, here we go. And, all right. That's going to work. I think that's going to work. Now, I'm going to get partial bus in the tree. This will be kind of cool. Well, maybe it will, maybe it won't. I am on F. Okay, so I'm going to go to 1/25th of a second. I want as much of this in focus as possible. And if I go to 1/25th of a second, I can go down to f16, and that should help. And I'm going to focus on the back of the bus. So maybe, hopefully, and that's almost infinity. Not quite, but maybe that tree then will be in focus for us as well. Here we go, got to frame it up properly. Not sure what we're getting there, but I'm also doing a horizontal or a vertical. Okay, I really like that. I thought this was going to be a waste of a drive, and then I came across this, so I'm just like very happy. Oh, there's a horse back there, of course. Okay, oh, look at, we got the sun going into, and I'm in the wind. See how we got the sun in there? That's kind of cool. I'm gonna get a close-up shot of this. Let's see, take advantage of it. And we're still, okay, I'm gonna stay at 1/25th of a second, and it wants us to go to about f9. So since we've got shadows in there, I'm gonna go ahead and, I'm gonna go f8. I can always pull them back out. I don't think anything's gonna blow out. Oh, I don't know. Now the tree itself again back there could be kind of cool. Seems like that'd be more of a color shot, but okay. We'll go find us another location and shoot the rest of this roll. We got about, this is a roll of 24, and we're on 14, so we got about 10 left. Yeah, let's go somewhere else. they've got a very cool looking, oh, that's badass. That is badass. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna grab that shot. Let me zoom in. Oh, that's cool. Well, it might not be cool, but it's neat. And they got this really cool RV right here. Really cool. Let's see, I'm gonna get a vertical. Oh, very cool. Very cool. Get back up. They'll be coming out. What are you taking pictures of? Okay. Very neat. I like that. So we've got this train that is parked. It's not supposed to be. See, the flashers are going off. But what a cool photo. I am going 1/25 because we're going to go down to about 1/16, or I mean F16. That's still a little over, which is good. We don't want it to be underexposed. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we've got the focusing on the traffic arm. Here's our shot. Okay. Nice. This is just bizarre. Look how far down this goes. Which would be a cool shot. Okay, taking this one. To all the way down here. That's pretty bizarre. So I'm going to go ahead and grab something like this, only it's going to be a vertical. That is just crazy. It's been sitting here a long time. Yeah. And of course, that's just almost at the end too. Ends our train.